Lord, Sri Gurum Vaishnavanscha Sri Rupam Shakrajatam Sahagana Raghunatham Tam Tam Shajivam Sadaitam Shabdhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padam Sahagana Lalita Vishakhanitanscha Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Sri Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. All glories, all glories, all glories. Today we have several questions, I think. Question: I understand our transformation must be absolute. Currently my ego is getting completely smashed into the tiniest and subtle compound, and currently it appears as if my deepest idea, principles I held to be absolute, like the principle of honesty and integrity, are being challenged. Principles that I even upheld and fought for being challenged as only aspect of this relative plane and being fit to be no. How deep does this detachment go? Is there any goals or guideliness? Okay. How can we give up good and sound moral principle to further our devotion? Prabhu, first of all, we have to know we are not coming here for detachment or attachment. Or we can say in our language, we are not coming here for Tyagi, renounce, purpose or enjoyment purpose. We are coming here for only one purpose, service purpose. A service requirement to leave something, you are ready to leave. If service requirement, get some guide from senior, you have to get guidance. And also, how can we give up good and sound moral principle to further our devotion? Yeah, for the moral further devotion, principles, moral principles for the devotion. Moral principles we have to try to manage to maintain. But we are follower of embodiment of peace. How we can feel it should make a peace. If then we have to take the steps in order to make the situation peace or peaceful. Just think about it. Our situation is not. No, we are not like a. We are here for service purpose. Service means object of service should be happy with each activities. Object of our service to become happy with each activities. This is the most important part. Moral principle like if someone in Vaishnava culture, moral principle is to become vegetarian. If someone try to break the principle and also trying to disturb us, in that case we should think about how to ignore that person, because ninth principles, but a ninth offense of Namaparad. There is 10 offense of Namaparad. Ninth offense is preach to the faithless people. So we have to think about that what type of principles we are breaking and what type of devotional principle we are breaking. So accordingly we will take the steps in order to make happy for the object of our service. Or is there some mental flexibility where we accept those things up to and until they contradict the higher principles of bhakti? Everything depends on the situation. You have to know first of all, you have to know what type of people surrounding you have. What is their mentality? Our goal, our intelligence should apply accordingly to bring them in bhakti. Bhakti means we have to follow the principles of bhakti. Principle of bhakti are just like 4 regulative principles, and at least they are chanting. Then eventually, if they accept initiation, but okay, in that way. So flexible, actually preacher should be always flexible. The mind should be flexible. And goal, only one pointed. We want to bring him to spiritual abode. In this regard, we want to inspire them to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra with sound faith. And in this regard, we will speak accordingly. Because, so many people have nice their nature is nice, but their ability to absorb the contents of bhakti content, like, someone can go deep, someone can go, or someone can stay only floating manner. Whoever, whatever the tendency, everybody should be inspired with us. As a preacher, we should act accordingly. Higher principle gradually will go. Please help me to understand and bless me that I can transform myself thus. We can pray to Guru Parampara, and Guru Parampara's blessings gradually make us feel, also increase our tolerance, also humility, tendency of humility, everything, when it will appear by their blessings. Just pray to Guru Parampara, then everything will be. What time can I speak with you? Okay. Actually, I was not near telephone. Just see your message now. Damodar. No Damodar. Then Krishna. Question by Joy Bhakti Devi. Now there is a road on Govardhan Hill. Is this considered a Vaishnava aparadh? Bhagavan aparadh, not Vaishnava aparadh. Aparadh to Bhagavan. Because Lord Chaitanya says to Jagadananda Pandit, Vrindavan jaiyo, Govardhan jaiyo, na dekho Gopal. Gopal was top of that Govardhan hill. So therefore he said, don't climb up this, climb up the Govardhan hill. So it is like offense to Lord Chaitanya. Lord Chaitanya is Bhagavan, Krishna. Some people are committing offense to Giriraj. Will they have to suffer the consequence? Listen, if we do something against Bhagavan and Bhagavan become angry, if we really submissive to Guru Parampara, in this case Guru Parampara can protect us and make Giriraj or Krishna become in our favor again. But if Guru Parampara become angry, then Lord cannot do anything. There is an expression in our Shastra that Krishna rushto hole Guru rakhite pare, Guru rushto hole Krishna rakhite nare. If Krishna become angry, then Guru means Guru Parampara can protect us and make Krishna in our favor. They have capability to do that. But if Guru become angry, then Krishna cannot do anything. So think about it. So there is no more question, looks like. Damodar not giving any questions, not asking any questions. And so many. This is not question, this is a personal message. Anyway, I can't see any more question. Anyway, these are the questions. Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Lila, 8th chapter. শ্রবণ মধ্যে জীবের কোন শ্রেষ্ঠ শ্রবণ রাধা কৃষ্ণ প্রেম লীলা করণ রসায়ন. Is it today or tomorrow? Yesterday only. Today. শ্রবণ মধ্য জীবের কোন শ্রেষ্ঠ শ্রবণ. শ্রবণ means hearing. What is the best content to hear? For living it is. Then Ramananda replied, Radha Krishna Premolila Karana Rasayam. Premolila means pastimes of Radha Krishna, which is Karana means ear, Rasayan means melodious. Ear become full of mellow, feels full of mellow. Rasayam, Karana Rasayam. So we have to choose what Radha Krishna's pastimes is very attractive. Krishna's mischievousness, activities is really attractive for devotees. How Krishna become mischievous and how Krishna act with mother, how Krishna act with associated gopis, how Krishna act with Radharani, all those connections. So I can just tell you that every morning Radharani coming to Nanda Maharaj's palace to cook for Krishna, according to the invitation of Mother Jashoda. Question is, why Mother Jashoda invite Radharani to cook for Krishna? The Mother Jashoda invite Radharani to cook for Krishna because Radharani got a boon from Durvasa Rishi. What boon is it? If she cook, and we will honor her cook. We will honor, their life will be eternal. We will extend. Your duration of life will extend. And it become extremely tasty. Sushad, tasty. So, look, therefore he just called. And he cooked. And she cooked. And then Krishna also pretending that he is sleeping. But actually Krishna also looking Radha. Radha also looking Krishna. Hidden manner. I can say, eyes goes one pointed towards Krishna. Krishna's eyes goes one pointed to Radha. But pretending like sleeping. Then, as soon as time appeared, Krishna just pretending like get up and pretending like a get up, and he doesn't know Radha is here, and he is going to cow shed for milking cow. Then after that, take bath with his associate cowherd boys. Then he honor for Radharani's cook. Radharani also hide and wait, rather than keeping herself in hidden position, wait for Krishna's remnant, to get Krishna's remnant. Such type of, this looks like simple things. But if you look, night time, they are spending whole night in Sanket Kunj Grove, Sanket Grove, under the guidance of Brinda Devi, and they are sleeping together. But before sunrise, before everyone get up, Krishna also came to Nanda Maharaja's palace and sleeping, pretending like a sleeping. But Radharani go back, and Radharani also coming to that. But that looks like they don't know. They are acting like if they don't know amongst each other. Like today, one nice pastimes at one girls in Vrindavan, Mathura. She heard that Krishna, today we heard that, today I saw that first time, very nice first time. That 12 years old girls, she heard that Krishna is source of all beauty. Krishna is taking cows for cow herding, and 900,000 cows total. So she has strong desire to see Krishna. But her parents searching for her, for her husband. You know this. Maybe Western people, they are not able to understand how is it possible. 12 years old, parents are searching husband for her. Is it illogical? Actually, tradition in Vedic tradition was before on a 6 to 9 year, around 6 to 9 year, they actually parents arrange their marriage. Even my grandmother, I asked her when she married. She said around 9 years old she married. But she stay at home, not going to in-laws home. So when she become 14, cross 14, then the parents send her to in-law house. That's all. So anyway, 12 years old girls, she had strong desire to see Krishna. But Krishna in Nandagaon, but she is in Mathura. How she can see, she can fulfill her desire. Only one option. If her parents arrange her marriage near Nandagaon, only that way she can see Krishna with source of beauty, really beautiful form of Krishna. So she was trying to think about, he is not trying, he is thinking, she is thinking again and again and again. She wants to see Krishna. Not like he close her eyes and think about it. Actually, devotee wants to see always. Their love not to close their eyes. Their love depends on to open their eyes. They want to see by their own eyes. So Krishna always in the heart of everybody. So Krishna inspired to her parents and arrange accordingly her marriage near Nandagaon. She become happy, so day of marriage, day of marriage. And this marriage day over, next day, what is that? I don't know. First, actually in India 3 days marriage, right? First day, second day, third day. It is fourth day early morning. So fourth day early morning, she heard that Krishna coming with the cows for cow herding around 8 to 8:30 or 9 like that. But she has such a eagerness to see Krishna. She get up, this. She's supposed to be there. This first day of marriage, where they're sleeping with her husband. It should be it's too late. But she get up before everyone get up. And she came to kitchen to cook. Then in-laws, they say, hey, you are the new mehendi. Mehendi means some henna. You are. So it's not. This is a new. It should not do any homework now, any kitchen work. It will wipe off everything. And you are our you are our loving personification. New housewife, you can say. So and so. So she just left. Then then somehow or other, she say, when Krishna will come? She asked to her family. The family really they dislike Krishna. So they say, oh, you are talking about that black snake, black poisonous snake, to whom he bite, they become completely spoiled. Don't think about it. So anyway, but she has eagerness to see. So everyone goes out of the home. Door is little bit closed, but little bit open. From that he saw. She always looking where Krishna can come. She cannot go out of the home. She's a new housewife. So what happened? Krishna knew everybody is in the house, no one there. Everybody is sitting outside talking amongst each other. But one, Krishna, take one tail of naughty calf. And the naughty calf, in such a way, Krishna just pull naughty calf, run, little bit open the door, Krishna entered to that. And that naughty calf entered to that home. So to catch the naughty calf, Krishna also entered the home. No one can object. So in that way, she met with, actually Krishna fulfill her desire. She also feel happy. So question is this, that such type of pastimes, when we hear how Krishna fulfilled the desire of his devotees, like just to think about this, Brahmin from Vedic family, Chaturveda Brahmin, they are performing fire sacrifice, and they are chanting mantra, Krishnaya Swaha, Balaramaya Swaha. In that way they are putting ghee on the fire. Krishna sent cowherd boys to get something, because everyone hungry. So to get something from them, they are chanting my mantra, they should offer us something. As soon as they went, they are not turning their face toward the cowherd boys, what they are asking. Just too much busy with the ritual process. Then the cowherd boys come back, and then Krishna sent them to their wives. You know, Dijapatni. Dijapatni means the Brahman's wife. So, as soon as they explain that Krishna Balaram is hungry and they need something. The Dijapatni means the wife of the Brahmins. They prepare so many things for the fire sacrifice. So they took everything for Krishna, and they, according to the Vedic tradition, wife, if they go out of the home, they should take permission from their guardian, like mother-in-law, husband, everyone who is senior by age. They should take permission. She should take permission from everyone. I have seen my mother, whenever she goes to her father's house, she used to ask my actually paternal grandmother, paternal grandfather. She was actually Bodo woman's actually elder wife. So without permission she cannot go. Sometimes nowadays, actually gradually it appears, just to maintain the law. This wife wearing outfit to go out, just before leaving the home, they're asking, mother, I am leaving, I'm coming now. In Indian expression, I'm coming. They will not say I'm going. They will say I'm coming. This is the tradition nowadays. So anyway, that Brahmin's wife, when they go for permission, then they reject. No. Then they also reject. As soon as they feel rejected, they don't care about the rejection. They feed by their own hand. And after that, Krishna said, go back to home. They said, they actually reject us. Our husband rejects us. That's the matter. You can go. Actually, Krishna, if we serve Krishna, if we really do something for Krishna, Krishna is master of mystery. he will manage everything accordingly. So their husband happily accepts all of them again. This moral, moral principle, and how Krishna managed. Like, I can give one more example, like one more pastime I can speak. There is a gopi, his name is Prabhavati. Prabhavati gopis, she has a son. That son is Krishna's friend. Son is Krishna's friend. And she has cows, cow shed. She every day making butter, yogurt, everything prepared. It was her livelihood to maintain family. So most of the day Krishna used to come with other cowherd boys and Prabhavati's son also, and stealing some butter, everything. So what happened? So Krishna's small boys, they're hanging all the pots of yogurt and butter, everything, hanging on the, called CK, I don't know the English, hanging with this jute rope, that hanging from that, which is far. But anyhow, Krishna managed to take it down, because Krishna was bottom, and then someone there, on the Krishna's shoulder, someone then that take all the pots on the bottom, on the ground, and then they are eating. They are stealing water. And eating that with everyone. And her son also there also. So the Prabhavati, that day she was ready to catch Krishna. So she just, perfect time she opened the door and catch Krishna. Because every day she used to complain to Mother Yashoda, but Mother Yashoda denying. So now she says, I am catching you, I will take you to your mother. So Krishna going, and Krishna's friend, her son also going behind Krishna. After some time, Krishna says, it is too painful how you catch. Could you please switch your hand? Switch my hand. Instead of this hand, you can catch that hand. Right hand to left hand. So, in that way, and she did, because she was so eagerness to reach Nanda Maharaj's palace. She never looked down her face. So as soon as she is turning, switching the hand, Krishna just escaped and let her own son, she catch her own son, hand of her own son. She's pulling. She never turned her face. But Krishna quickly go to palace, Nanda Maharaj palace, and lying on the bed and asking, Mama, I'm hungry. Please give me some food. When Krishna asking that way to Mother Yashoda. Particular that time, Prabhavati came to that Mother palace, Nandamani palace, asking, Yashoda, come. Today I like to show you how your son Krishna is naughty. She is stealing into my heart, from my home, every day. Yashoda coming out, what happened? Then she's still not looking whose hand is holding. She's holding. Your son every day stealing from my home. I complain about it. You don't believe. Today look. Then you look. Then Yashoda laughing. How is it possible? This is your son. My son, your Krishna. I catch his hand. No, my Krishna is there in home. He's lying on the bed and asking me. Such type of pastimes. So many pastimes. Whole 9 years, 10 months Krishna was in Vrindavan. He manifests so much pastimes. How he killed Putana, how he killed Aghashur, how he killed Bakashur, how he killed Ghotoka, that bullock cart, the English called Ghotoka cart. But that actually demon name, Ghotoka. Anyway, that how he killed one after another, demonic. But all the pastimes, it make devotee happy. Even the Prabhavati gopis, actually she wants Krishna to steal from her home. That make her happy. So after the incident, Krishna stopped to go to their home. After a few days, Prabhavati Gopi asking to Krishna, why you are not coming? When you are complaining to my mother, I am not going, I am not stealing, but you are complaining. Krishna smiling face. And then she says, you are stealing. You see, who steal? I was sleeping. Then he said, no, you steal. But he said, look, now I arrange to show your son, but next day, if you catch me, I will arrange your husband. You catch your husband. You don't catch me, you bring your husband. So such type of the contents, the things, if you listen, that make your focus toward Krishna. Anyway, if we just think about Krishna, remember about Krishna, hear about Krishna, like Kamsa. Kamsa always thinking Krishna. Because Kamsa thinking Krishna is my enemy, Krishna is my death. So I have to kill him. Always thinking Krishna. This is also one way to remember Krishna. Therefore he became delivered. Like Hiranyakashipu, Hiranyaksha. Always thinking Vishnu, because Vishnu is enemy. Hiranyakashipu thinking Vishnu is enemy. He became delivered. So anyhow, that this way our previous teacher instructing us, think about Krishna and hear their pastimes, and that which pastimes make you happy. Krishna make tricks. That make all devotees become happy. If Krishna make a tricks, like Krishna took some, Brahmanda Ghat, he ate some mud, earth. Then Balaram conveyed a message to Yashoda. Yashoda said, you ate? No? Open your mouth. Then is a whole universe. Yashoda also saw that she is there as a universe. So, when Krishna does any kind of mischievous activities, Mother Yashoda trying to punish him, and whole who is owner of entire universe, now he is fearful and full of tears, asking, Mama, please don't beat me. Mama, you know this, Krishna catch. Then there is a song is there, Maya Modi, मैं माखन नहीं खाओ. I am not eating the makhan. Then he gives so much logic. Mother asking, why it is there? So many Krishna mischievousness. Anyway, the think about Krishna, mind should fix with Krishna. That is the most important part for the devotee of Krishna. So Sravana Madhya Jiver Gon Sreshta Sravan. Then Radha Krishna Prema Lila. Radha Krishna Prema Lila. Here I am just telling about Krishna. Radharani also there. How Radha and Krishna manifest first time in a day 8 times. No, 3 hours interval. This is called 8 jam. 8 jam means each 3 hours each 1 jam means one whole day means 28 hours, 24 hours. 3 hours means 8 times. Then total 24 hours. So 8 jam, how they manifest. If you read the Bhajana Rasa, then you can see how our Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami describe in those pastimes, each time how they describe. Early morning, how Krishna get up. Ratrante trasta binde ritabahu virabbai bodhito kirosari paddai riddai ropi sukha sahana dutitau. This is the slow. Ratrante, when night almost end. So, what happened? Vrinda becomes so worried about that. If they are not getting up, because I already explained, night time they came to Sanket Kunj, they are sleeping, how all the Sokhis they are managing, Vrinda organizing accordingly, how in the this waning moon time, waning moon and wakshing moon, the two, Krishna Paksha, Shukla Paksha. Krishna Paksha time, waning moon time, so when they arrange Radharani to decorate with black color, wakshing moon and Shukla Paksha, when they arrange to white color, light color, outfit. Accordingly, she prepared everything. Just to think about it, how that, how Vrinda worried, how Vrinda sent Sukh sari to get them out. How Vrinda sent the monkey, spiritual Lord have also monkey. He may laugh, but it is fact. Even spiritual Lord have dog also there, Bankro. Radharani's dog name is Bankro. So monkey name Cock. This is Bhaktivinoda Thakur composed that. This cock, as soon as it work, then they get up and they become Bhito means fearful, too early, so have to go. But Lalita arrange and to greet. The greet means, to do some arati. That arati we are doing every day. Actually, that is the theme, our arati theme. Like Radha Krishna get up from Sanket Kunj, then Lalita arrange in her grove to do arati. All the Sakhis also surrounding Radha Krishna, and group means Jut, Visakha's Jut, they are chanting the glories of this Duhu Guna means to Radha Krishna's glories, they are chanting. Piyanorma Sakhi means very dearest Manjuris, they are also doing Chamar, Piyanorma Sakhi Jana Chamara Dulai, and then Ananga Manjari putting Chandan. The entire atmosphere is there in our Mangalarati song, and Lalita Sakhi performing Arati. Then they are going back to their home. There no one get up. They are just hidden manner at the gate and sleep, pretending like a whole night they sleep in their room. Sometime Josoda also came to see, call her associates. We cleaned Krishna properly last night and he slept. But why Krishna's body become dusty? How is it possible? That means you are not cleaning. I give you Josoda chastising the other associate, Josoda's assistants. Did you clean properly? They say, yes, we clean properly. So how did Krishna's body become dusty? I know last night I take him to the room and he's sleeping. After sleeping I left. How his body become dusty? They say, I don't know. Lord said, I don't know. But Krishna knows. Krishna is smiling. Krishna knows he went. He went there. Sanket Kunj. Such type of this, how whole day they're manifesting pastimes. We are listen. That is Karma Rasa. So tomorrow, if you want, I can discuss about until 7th jam, not 8th jam. I cannot discuss. 8th jam is too high for devotees, because if devotee not materially, not material, not free from material sense enjoyment object, then it's not possible to chant the 8th jam. But rest 7th jam, it's possible to discuss about it. It will be very nice for all of us, but we have to finish this subject. Ramananda, almost 3 months. 3 months going to be over. So we have to finish. So think about it. First we finish, then we talk about 8th jam, or first, or now we have to talk about 8th jam, and then we can go rest part. So anyway, think about it. But tomorrow, if you are agree that I have to finish fast, then better tomorrow we can ask, tomorrow we can read that next questions of Mahaprabhu. Upasya remoto kon upasya pradhan. Upasya means aradhana. Aradhana means sadhana. Sadhana is harinam. Practice, spiritual practice. What is the most effective spiritual practice? Then Seshta Upasya, the best practice. Jugal Radha Krishna Naam. Jugal means conjugal. Pair. Which is Radha Krishna. They are now. Therefore we are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Each day now is really, really attractive. Attractive for all of us. Radha Krishna's name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is Radha Krishna's name. Then someone chant Radhe, 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 Radhe. But this is not our prescribed, because someone say Radharani's name is equivalent. One name equivalent of 100 name of Krishna. Brahma Bhagavata Puran says like that way. So therefore they are chanting Radhe, 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 Radhe. But our main doctor Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Bhagavan, he says chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Therefore we have to chant only Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Radha, this word, such a love involved in that Radha word. If any pure devotee, they are utter that word Radha, they feel faint. They may faint, like Shukdev Goswami. Shukdev Goswami, when he is giving discourses to Parikshit Maharaj, you can see whole Srimad Bhagavad, although they are describing the Radha's glories, but they are not directly name of Radha. One sloka is Anaya Radhita Nuna, that sloka is there, but not directly they involve Radha's name. This jig-jag manner, Radha's name is there. But why? Because Sukdev Goswami may feel faint. Such a loving embodiment is Radharani. Radha Kund is also liquid form of Radha's prem is Radha Kund. Liquid form of Radha's love is called Radha Kund. Therefore, Gaudiya devotee, they don't want to take bath, because when you take bath, you have to touch your feet. Therefore, they are not taking bath. They are taking bath in mind, like this. They take the water from the Radha Kund and sprinkling the water on their head. From that way, they are taking bath. I have seen also my spiritual master doing show, and then I think I explained one day. So anyway, to think about it, Radha's love is such attractive. And Brahma Bhagavata Puran says, Mamo Namo, Krishna says, Mamo Namo Satanaibo, Radha Namo Sakit Samam. My, Krishna says, my 100 name equivalent of Krishna's one name. 100 names equivalent of Krishna's one name. Therefore, Radha Krishna's name, if you chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and think of Radha Krishna, I think this is the most beneficial for us. We can talk about tomorrow. If you are not agree, go through the 7 jam, song of the 7 jam. Jam means you may not have understanding about that jam. Jam means 7 times in a day, actually 8 times total, but 7 times how Radha Krishna manifests pastime, how Radha Krishna meeting each other, how Radharani prepare Krishna's food, meeting each other, manifesting pastime, all those discussion. It is Govinda Lilamrita is there, that from their books where Bhaktivinoda Thakur gets some sloka and putting there. And then he composed accordingly some Bengali song he composed. Very easy. Anyway, we can talk tomorrow. Hare Krishna. See you tomorrow. Hare Krishna.